in the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.